right. These are the locations for the screws holding the liner in place. Those are 2 screws. These are 3 little push tabs, and 1 more down there. That's the 4th one. And then you can pop it off and access the back of that. Leak detection pump pulled out, and the canister. Very simple to do for anybody that needs to figure out how to do it. Lower connection, upper connection, the actual leak detection pump connection, and this is what holds this tab. You have to pull the tab towards you when it's installed, and that releases it and you pull up. Takes it out. And you find any videos online on how to do this. I'm gonna take this apart, 3 screws, this filter, swap the new one in. New leak detection pump back in place. I'm gonna try to do this with 1 hand. This got caught. Okay. There you go. Just clicked. And it doesn't come up anymore. So just plug. Line. And lower line. Turn it on and put this wheel well liner back in place. It has very few and easy mounting points. 1 right there, 1 right here, and 1, 2, 3 clips, and then 1 all the way at the bottom. Somewhere here. That was a plastic clip. And you can fold it out like that and access the leak detection pump.